Now, there isn't much better in business than shooting off a single email and making hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars over the next couple days. Well, that is what's possible when you learn how to leverage email marketing in your affiliate marketing business. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'm going to walk you through how to start using email to make sales. And if you're open to a new affiliate program, you definitely want to click the link at the top of the description to learn about our #1 recommended affiliate marketing program that actually does the job of selling for you. And so it's a great option for beginning affiliate marketers. So we have to start with the principles before we get to the how-tos, or you're definitely going to flop. You need to understand that if you constantly email your list nothing but offers, they will quickly stop opening your emails. You should leverage emails to build up your know, like, and trust factor with your list. Use it to serve them and to give them good content over and over again. When you continually do that, they will continue to open your emails and will be much more open to making a purchase when you occasionally put an offer in front of them. Also, it's the same with most things in life. You have to practice to get good. So you're going to have to practice to get good at writing offer letters, offer emails. So feel free to do some dry runs before you actually send it out to your list. And understand that you will get better and better the more you do this. Also, one of the most valuable skills that you can have in your business is copywriting. It'll definitely come into play here and is virtually comes to play in almost every aspect of your business. So if you get the opportunity to go through some copywriting training, it's worth every penny. Now, here's a couple different ways you can make sales from your email list. There is kind of a soft offer and a more hard or straightforward offer. A soft offer would be inviting people to a webinar or a challenge with great information that ends with an offer. Because the offer itself isn't made directly in email, you can do this more frequently without burning out your list. But a powerful tool for closing sales is a straightforward offer email. Now, there are 6 main components to an offer email. And if you've ever sat through an infomercial or a good webinar, this may sound familiar. It works. Now, you can play a bit with the order of how you do things, but these 6 things definitely need to be included in your offer email. The first piece is testimonials or stories that provide social proof. You want people to understand that what you are about to offer could be something that could truly help them. Sally lost 10 pounds in her first 5 days and had been stuck at her current weight no matter what she did for years. Joe started seeing changes almost immediately, and on week 2, his wife mentioned he was losing his dad bod. After just 4 weeks, Sarah lost all of her pregnancy weight that she'd been carrying around for 5 months. Now, the second piece is telling them what they will get. This is the core offer. The makeup of the fitness program, the modules of the training course, the features of the software, whatever it is. The third piece are bonuses. Bonuses that either come from you or the creator or the company of the product. Don't just think that because you're an affiliate, you can't create your own bonuses. That could be a 15-minute consultation with you or some done-for-you templates that you created and that they can download into the software. Now, the fourth piece is a specific date and time for the end of the offer, for the end of the bonuses, putting a time limit on it all. Now, because of my schedule, I can only offer these bonuses until 11 p.m. Eastern on Friday night. The fifth piece is a specific quantity limit for the bonuses. So there are only so many people who can benefit from the bonuses. So if you offer something that took maybe one-on-one time, then a simple way to do this is something like, now I'm only one person, so in all honesty, I can only work with so many people. So only the first 25 people that make their purchase are going to get access to these bonuses. Or maybe you offer a training or live webinar or coaching session for a group setting, and you only have so many spots available within your webinar provider. You can use that. And finally, number 6. The price. But not just the price. You should first tell them the value of what they're going to get. The full non-sales price, the value of the main offer, plus the value of all the bonuses, what that would cost. Then after you show the value, then you tell them what they will only pay today. What will they have to pay to make the purchase? Now, these 6 things sound pretty basic, and they are. But the more you study, the better you will get. So yes, it's okay to sit down and watch an infomercial or attend a sales webinar. Watch and learn how people are framing and making their offers. Now, especially if you are brand new to all of this, I highly recommend that you click the link at the top of the description so that you can check out our #1 recommended affiliate program, because they actually provide really good done-for-you email series to use. You can just plug and go. So yes, in the end, you should still build the skill, but you can still be making sales in the meantime while you're working on it. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe so that we can help you do that, and say hi so that we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'll see you soon.